After threading and tying the locking medium with the canvas, let's start making the pencil case with the locker hook and rug yarn. The rug yarn will be fed up from under the canvas and the locking medium will be on top. Push the hook into the first square. Wrap the rug yarn around the hook and pull up loop of yarn. Now slide the hook through the loop a bit by keeping the yarn on needle shaft. Make a loop of 1/4 inch. This is your first tail. Insert the hook into the next hole and hook the rug yarn and pull back through. Keep the yarn on the needle shaft and make another loop. Then inset the hook into the next hole and hook the rug yarn again and pull another loop up through and onto the needle shaft. Once you have a few loops onto your needle, pull the locking medium through the loops while holding onto the tails of the locking yarn. Always hold these tails when pulling the needle so you don't pull the locking yarn all the way out of the loops. Depending on the thickness of the material you chose for your rug, you can hook anywhere from 3 to 8 loops onto the locker hook needle before pulling the locking medium through. When you reach the end of the row, rotate your canvas around and continue hooking loops on the next row.